What makes a great leader? Is it their charisma, their strategic mindset, or perhaps their ability to inspire others? The answer is not as simple as one might think. Leadership is an art, a delicate balance of many skills and attributes. Today, we're going to explore some fundamental leadership strategies that effective leaders often use. First on the list, visionary leadership. This involves articulating a clear and inspiring vision for the future of the organization. A compelling vision motivates and aligns team members toward common goals. It's like a lighthouse guiding a ship through the night. Next, communication skills. Effective leadership hinges on the ability to listen actively, express ideas clearly, and provide constructive feedback. A good leader is also a great communicator, bridging the gap between ideas and understanding. Thirdly, leading by example. As the old adage goes, actions speak louder than words. Leaders should model the behaviors and values they want to see in their team members. This alignment between words and actions builds confidence and credibility. Empowerment is another critical strategy. Leaders should delegate tasks and responsibilities appropriately, trusting their team to take ownership and accountability. This fosters a sense of empowerment, leading to increased motivation and performance. Flexibility and adaptability also play a crucial role. Leaders should be willing to embrace change, learn from failures, and adjust strategies accordingly. It's about being a chameleon, adapting to the ever-evolving landscape. Collaboration and team building are next. Leaders should foster an environment where team members feel valued and encouraged to share ideas. Building strong relationships and promoting teamwork enhances productivity and innovation. Coaching and growth is another strategy. Leaders should invest in the development and growth of their team, providing regular feedback, coaching, and opportunities for learning and skill development. Decision-making is a critical aspect of leadership. Leaders should make timely and informed decisions involving relevant stakeholders when appropriate. Considering various perspectives, weighing risks, and communicating decisions effectively are key. Resilience is another important trait. Leaders should stay focused on goals, maintain a positive attitude, and bounce back from adversity. Like a phoenix rising from the ashes, resilient leaders overcome challenges and move forward. Ethical leadership is non-negotiable. Leaders should lead with integrity, honesty, and ethical principles. Upholding high moral standards and demonstrating fairness and transparency in decision-making processes are crucial. Continuous improvement is another strategy. Leaders should develop a culture of innovation and continuous improvement, encouraging experimentation, learning from mistakes, and seeking ways to enhance processes and outcomes. Emotional intelligence is an essential trait. Leaders should understand and manage their own emotions and those of others. Empathy, self-awareness, and conflict resolution skills are key. Strategic thinking is another strategy. Leaders should think strategically about the long-term direction of their organization, anticipate challenges, identify opportunities, and develop proactive strategies for sustainable growth and success. Crisis management is another essential skill. Leaders should be prepared to handle crises and unforeseen challenges effectively, staying calm under pressure, communicating transparently with stakeholders, and taking decisive action. Lastly, recognition and celebration. Leaders should acknowledge and celebrate the achievements and contributions of their team members. Recognizing their efforts boosts morale, strengthens team cohesion, and reinforces positive behaviors. In summary, effective leadership requires a combination of these strategies, tailored to the specific needs and circumstances of the organization and its members. Flexibility, empathy, and a commitment to continuous learning are key traits of successful leaders. Remember, leadership is an art, and like any art form, it requires practice, dedication, and a willingness to learn and grow.